Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do a live demonstration of our predictive IoT-based landfill monitoring system. The implementation on which we are looking upon is a pipe. So what we are going to do is we are going to insert a pipe into this landfill which contains as sensors. The reason why we choose this approach is to protect these delicate sensors from the impact of fire and other harmful elements. So let's begin the demonstration. In the initial condition, when there is no gas or any hazardous elements present, it will display a safe reading in the OLED display. The same will be displayed on our IoT computer infrastructure. Second, now we are going to do a demonstration. When we introduce a bit of smoke into the system, it will produce a high alert. Okay. When we introduce a smoke element into this pipeline structure, it produces a beep sound. Also, will also display a warning signal in the OLED display. The same will also be related into our IoT infrastructure. Okay, so this is our basic demonstration of our. Okay, so basically we are taking three types of data into consideration. First is the motion data. The motion data gives us a descriptive descriptive indication of how the land fire is actually moving, whether it is actually causing the fire is causing a movement beneath this land fire. The next data that we are going to take is the environmental data. The environmental data emphasizes on the temperature, humidity level, pressure level of this land fire. The third and last data that we are going to take from it is the gas monitoring data. We're using our two sensors, MQ2 and MQ135 sensors. We take the indication of methane gas and other combustion gases into consideration and provide a reading for them. We also have a method of displaying the level of risk or emergency in the situation. If, for example, if there is no fire being detected, then it will display a safe status in the OLED display. Whereas if we saw a small rise in fumes, then it will introduce a status of risk. Also, if there is a large amount of fumes being detected near the gas sensors, then we will immediately issue an danger signal while also deploying a buzzer to mobilize attention. With that will be the end of our demonstration. Thank you very much.